Day 15, an icy scene. This is Toys Unlocked, and we're gonna scream. Nope. No, we're just gonna open day 15. It's one of the Patil twins. Let's take her out and get a look at what she's wearing. The Patil twins are identical, of course, but if we go by how they were dressed in the Goblet of Fire movie, then this is Padma, Ron's date. She has a smug expression and a happy expression, as well as printing on the front and back of her top, just like with Cho Chang's outfit. Now, I love the coral and the fuchsia color separately, but I'm not sure I love them together. But of course, if this was based on the movie, then it's fairly accurate. Now, the bottom of her skirt piece does not have the same printing. We only have the metallic bits on the front and back of the tops and the front of the skirt, but she still looks pretty darn good. Okay, let's get her hair on, though I'm pretty sure she had her hair in a braid for the Yule Ball. Maybe I'm confusing her with her twin. All right, and we will attempt to do this, put the wand in her hand, but I'm terrible at this. You know I'm terrible at this. And nope, still terrible. Go figure. I think, are going to need a touch of magic. As it turns out, there are some things that magic can't help with. But let's take a look at Padma next to Cho Chang. Neither of these minifigures are wearing what I would classify as dress robes, but they both look very accurate to the Goblet of Fire movie. Now, of course, after the movie came out, there was a lot of spirited debate online as to whether the Patil twins' outfits were culturally accurate, as to whether they would have even worn lehengas to a Yule Ball in the first place. Now, I can't speak to cultural accuracy, but I can say that I really love having a new, diverse outfit to add to my personal minifigure collection, even if I don't necessarily love the color. I also really, really love Padma's expression. That smirk is amazing. All right, everyone, this was day 15 of the LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar. Until we build again, I'll see you then. Bye!